Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the Christmas makeup filters on TikTok. So this is not a single filter, there are multiple filters you are going to use in this video. So let me show you. Okay, let's go to my favorite. Okay, these are the filters that you are going to use. Random Christmas cheeks. Okay, this one. Random Christmas eyeliners. Random Christmas shadow. Random Christmas lips. And random Christmas brows. Okay, so these are the 5 filters that you are going to use. I'll do one thing, all the links of this effect I'll give in the description of this video, so you can get the effects from there. So that's it. If you don't want to go to the description and look for the links, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for Christmas makeup filter. Okay, here you will see many videos with these effects. Just open any video. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. Just tap there and you will see all the effects. You can tap there and you can use these effects. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get these effects on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.